Welcome back to Cook Mama Cook. In today's video, we are making some healthy meatballs with a few secret ingredients. Yes, the secret ingredient is always love, but there are a few more. So let's get started with today's video. Okay, for ingredients, this is what I am using. I have 1.5 pounds of organic ground turkey. I just always buy this in a 2-pack from Costco. It's a good deal. So I have some turkey, 2 sweet potatoes I boiled and mashed up. We have some grated Parmesan cheese, 1 egg, 2 whole cloves of garlic, and I got my garlic presser here for that. Some shredded sharp cheddar, spinach, pepper, oregano, some salt, garlic powder, paprika, some flour. Let's get started with this. So if you love meatballs, this video is for you. It is an alternative recipe to your classic meatball. So I am going to be putting sweet potatoes in this because my daughter is not a big fan of sweet potatoes. She said, "Mommy, I don't like any orange vegetables." She doesn't have a problem with the orange fruit, okay? She eats the mangoes, cantaloupe, all that. But carrots and sweet potatoes, it's a struggle to get her to eat it. So this is the secret ingredient. And yeah, spinach, I'm adding that because it's always good to put a dark leafy green in your food. If your kids don't like eating salad, add your spinach to smoothies, or in this case, to your meatballs. I also will not be frying these in a ton of oil. I am going to be baking them instead. So probably for about 30 minutes, just keep checking it on 375. I am big on plant-based recipes, but 1 to 2 times a week, I do like to incorporate chicken or turkey into our meals for my daughter and I. My husband is like strictly vegetarian. He does not eat any of that, but I am also big on seafood, so I love to have that maybe 3 times a week. I forgot to mention I am using 1/2 cup of water as well into the mixture. Okay, now just gonna chop up the spinach and put that in there as well. It's gonna be so much fun mixing this, right? I like making a big batch of these at once. They stay in the fridge for about 3 to 4 days, but you can also freeze these, pop them in the freezer, and you know, it's kind of like meal prepping. Pull them out when you need it, really fast and simple. Put some tomato sauce on it. It's great. So for this, with these meatballs, I'm going to be making a side of pasta for my daughter because she really enjoys that with the meatballs. So get a nice sheet pan. I lined mine with parchment paper, and then I will spray it with avocado oil so, you know, just cooks evenly. And speaking of evenly, when you're mixing all the ingredients, make sure to like kind of fold all the ingredients into each other. You don't want like a big patch of sweet potato. Some of these meatballs are shaping up to look like mini burgers, but that's okay, you know. Do it however you want. It is a little bit harder to work with turkey and chicken. It's a lot easier to work with the beef and, you know, lamb and pork. But you know, they're still good. Still very tasty. Okay, look how good these look. I love seeing the spinach, some cheese and all that. Sweet potato I feel like is hidden really well in it, except for like that piece over there, but I'll take that one. I think my daughter, you know, she's definitely gonna enjoy this. Kids will love this. Give it a try. So I'm gonna put it in the oven now on 375. Thank you so much for watching today's video. I hope you try out this healthy, delicious meatball recipe. Please subscribe for more cooking videos. Check my description box for more links. I will see you in my next one.